Hope you are doing great. Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to translate Taobao from Chinese to English. It is very easy. Now, as you can see here, Taobao is already default in English. Sometimes there's going to be a pop-up here on the upper right side that says translate to English. But if you don't have that, it's very easy. All you need to do is click on any of the empty spaces here. You can do it here, you can do it here, or you can do it here on the left side. And on your right click, there's an option to translate to English. So all you need to do is click that. And this is the pop-up that I mentioned. So if you said that, now this is the original, right? This is what you're going to see if you go to Taobao.com for the first time. Now, all you need to do is click on English, and there you go. So if you refresh this, as you can see, it automatically translates itself to English. So that's the video. Hope you liked it. We'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.